we're going to start with the C language. Now in this C, we'll see introduction to C, what are the things there in C, features, uses of C, structures of C program, variables, data types, operators, and we're going to learn each and everything. So let's move forward. So in C introduction, if you see, it developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Telephone Laboratories, known as mother of language, and it's base for all other programming languages. Like, it's a very syntactical language and it's most popular system programming language. If you talk about the features of C, so it's very simple and efficient. Syntax style of implementing C is very simple and easy. It's a portable language. Programs made in can be run on different machines. Functional, rich library, having a rich number of libraries with built-in functions. So memory management in C supports, dynamic memory management. It supports. And in C, we're going to learn about pointers also. With pointers, we can directly interact with memory. And structure, as it's a structured language, so breaks the code into different parts using functions and stored in the form of libraries from the reusability. Now, when we talk about uses of C language, so it's a computational graphical methods, application using graphical interface, browsers on internet, banking, compilers, cloud computing, distributed systems, integrated software libraries for enterprises, you take name, all things are used in C language. So when we talk about structures of C program, so it's divided into different parts. So either it may be user defined functions, main functions, either declared variable globally or locally, definition section, preprocessor section, documentation sections. This everything is there in the program. So when we learn in the program, in the VS Code, we'll learn what is user defined function, what is main function, global declaration, definition section, preprocessor section, and all those things we'll learn about that. Now we're going to jump to the VS Code and we'll see the first hello world program in C, how to write C program. So we'll jump to the VS Code and we'll see the example there.